Got a video tour for 307 West Harvest Moon Drive in Saratoga Springs. A couple of things to point out here on the exterior. I like that it actually backs up to, and on the side of it is common area. There's actually an asphalt trail that comes across the street and then goes right down to a really nice park. Very fun to be that close to a park, just right within walking distance. We've actually had a lot of work done on this home recently, and I will point some of that out. And still have a few little projects going on in here, so please overlook that. But simple but very functional floor plan. It's a multi-level home. You walk in here to a nice foyer area, bay window, living room, vaulted ceilings, formal living room area, a coat closet there. This is the dining area, and then we've got stainless steel appliances. There's actually a microwave sitting there in that box. It will be mounted in place of that range hood, and then a stainless steel dishwasher. We've got new blinds in the home, and new faucets were just replaced. Depending on when you see this video, we may have already had a tenant living in here, so it may not all be brand new, but this is in July of 2019 all this work was done. So up at the top of the stairs is the hallway bathroom. Linen closet right there. To the right is a bedroom. There are actually 3 bedrooms, one of those being the master bedroom up here on top. There's kind of a shot of that park right through the, and that trail that goes right to that park right through there, if you can see that. And by the way, I just love Harvest Hills because what I was just pointing towards, that's right there where the tech corridor is. We call that Silicon Slopes. Very easy commute within maybe just, certainly within 10 minutes of Point of the Mountain, Thanksgiving Point area. There's a closet there for the master bedroom. And this bedroom actually has some decent space. I mean, you'd have plenty of room for a king-size bed, dresser set, maybe a TV along that wall. And then it does have a master bathroom, which I really appreciate, of course. Got a little bit of work we're still doing there, but we actually put new toilets in as well, new flooring. Looks pretty sharp. All right, let's take a look down here at this big family room. So this is likely where you'd put your TV and couch set in this room. And there's good wall space there. Again, I love that the you don't have backyard or side yard neighbors, so it really feels open. Not a huge lot, not a huge lot to mow or maintain, which is a good thing. And got a concrete patio here with a couple of beds there that we've put some nice mulch in. Half bathroom, and then laundry room. This is coming in right from the garage, which I appreciate. It's a good place to have it. And there's some shelving there on the side of the garage. It's got some decent width to this garage and decent depth to it, so you can park some bigger vehicles in here and be able to still have room for your lawnmower and your bicycles and whatever. I love this area down here. It's super cool in the summertime, of course. And this is actually a bedroom. It could be used as a downstairs office or a theater room, whatever you'd like to use it as. It does have its own bathroom. It has a 3/4 bathroom. With the vanity, and then the new toilet and the shower. And then this is where the furnace closet is. Additionally, there's some good storage right here. So this would be great for your camping gear, food storage, Christmas decorations, whatever. So appreciate you taking a look. This is a great neighborhood, wonderful area, easy commute into Salt Lake County or Utah County, obviously close, as I mentioned, to Silicon Slopes, point of the mountain. And I love the community here. Not only is there that park over there, there's several common area parks here. There is an elementary school right within Harvest Hills. You're 5 minutes from Walmart, places to take your car, places to eat, all within 5 minutes. So if you're interested, give us a call. We'd love to have you take a look at it. Thank you.